In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to WordPress or Elementor, you'll be able to follow along easily and feel confident making this change on your own site. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the back-end area of your website where you manage pages, posts, plugins, and all your settings. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now see a list of all the pages on your website. Take a moment to locate the specific page whose URL you want to change. When you found it, move your mouse over the page title. As you hover over it, you'll see several options appear right below the title, such as Edit, Quick Edit, and maybe a few others depending on your setup. Click on Edit to open the full editor for that page. Now that you're inside the editor, we're going to change the slug, which is the part of the URL that comes after your main domain. For example, in a URL like yourwebsite.com/cart, the word cart is the slug. Look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, you should see a field labeled slug. On the right side of that slug field, click on your current slug. When you click it, a small pop-up or editable text field will appear. This is where you can type in your new slug. For instance, if your current slug is cart, you might want to change it to something like my cart or shopping cart. Keep in mind that slugs should usually be lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and be short but descriptive, so visitors and search engines can easily understand what the page is about. After you've entered your new slug, the most important step is to save your changes. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Save or Update button, depending on what your interface shows. This will apply the new URL to your page. That's it. You've successfully changed the page URL in Elementor by updating the slug in your WordPress editor, and your page will now be accessible using that new link.